in order to de-risk the portfolio that we sit with as direct line.
Piny owacho bwo migawo mar riwruoge mag saga kod ohala ochako chenro mar tiego jo-ohala matindo tindo e yore mag bero yutogi.
Okang' makama bende geto bugo dero mar chiemo ma ipidhe pacho ka.
Joja oko miwa ler ewi wachno.
Ne en nyasi mar puodho johelni kaachiel kod jopur matindo maromo 500 mosebedo katiegore thuolo mar dweche 3 mosekalo yore mag bero yuto magi.
A round of applause to all of you.
E nyasino mane obagi Mombasa, jatend migawo mar riwruoge mag saga kod ohala Simon Chelogui koni jopur mathoth osebedo ka jwang'o tij pur kaluwore gi yuto mani piny, gino mikoni duoko piny kiwango mar chiemo e pacho ka.
On maize, which is our main staple food, we produce our demand is approximately 52 million bags. Our farmers are only able to produce 40 million bags, meaning year in, year out, we have a deficit of 12 million bags. It is our desire and hope, by investing in subsidized farming, fertilizer, and inputs, we will be able to breach the cap of 12 million bags and take away the shame of always suffering and complaining of food insecurity.
Okoni jopur mathoth ywak ne joblek kuom ketho nengo mwandu mipure pacho ka, kochiwo ranyisi mar pur mar majan kod kahawa miuso e nengo mamalo e pinje maoko bang' kosegole pacho ka, kuma jopur to dong' mana ka gwonyore gi pado nikech nengo mani piny.
You can never explain how coffee in New York, the same AA grade, is sold for $800 per bag, and here in our Nairobi Coffee Exchange is sold for 200 shillings a bag. It cannot explain. The entire 600 is borne by brokers, dealers, and logisticians. The farmer is the most affected in this of pricing.
Tiyo kanyakla gi riwruoge mok mag piny owacho e tiego jopur kaachiel kod johala matindo gikoni geto miyo gi lony makare mar bero kiwango mar chiemo kod yuto e ohelni magitimo.
Our challenge has been training and lending to people who may not have knowledge on running their businesses. And some of the initiatives that have come, and the reason why I'm truly here, is to partner with private sector.
We believe in a world without hunger and a planet respected. And we cannot do that if we don't partner with the governments, we don't partner with our customers, which is the SMEs, and with our farmers at the end of the day.
The 500 stockists that are graduating today are agents of change. What they have learned, they will put in practice to be able to touch millions of farmers, not only to improve their productivity, which, as we have all heard, we need to get food secure.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.